Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve logarithmic equation with different bases. We have a solve log m base 2 plus log m base 3 equals 5. Here we have to find the value of m that will satisfy this equation. Now I put down here solution and I've come down here with a question. Here, since this equation is being expressed with different bases, the first step we need to consider here is for it to convert it to the same base. Then recall that if you have log a base b, but this is equivalent to log a divided by log b. This is change of base. Now we are going to apply this principle right here. Now the equation becomes log m divided by log 2 plus log m divided by log 3 equals 5. Now the next step to apply here is for it to factor out log m. Then in that case, we are going to have here log m into 1 divided by log 2 plus 1 divided by log 3 equals 5. Then now we are going to simplify this. Now here the LCM is log 2 log 3. Then we are going to have log m into log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 log 3 equals 5. Then in the numerator, record that if you have log AB, that this is equivalent to log A plus log B. Then in this case, we are going to apply this principle in the numerator. Now we are going to have here log m into log 2 times 3 divided by log 2 log 3 equals 5. Well, if we simplify this further, you are going to have log m into 2 times 3, that's give us 6. We have here log 6 divided by log 2 log 3 equals 5. Then at this point, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by log 6 divided by log 2 log 3, and the equation becomes log m equals 5 into log 2 log 3 divided by log 6. Now, I'm going to do something here. This can also be rewrite in this form. Have log m equals 5 log 2 divided by log 6 multiplied by log 3. This is the same thing like this. Now in this case, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by log 3. Now we have here log m divided by log 3 equals 5 log 2 divided by log 6. When recall that if you have log x y, log x base y, but is equivalent to log x divided by log y. But in that case, we are going to apply this down here. And this equation becomes log m base 3. Here we have 5 log 2 base 6. Now, we are going to apply another principle here. Recall that if you have log a base b equals c, that a equals b to the power of c, then you are going to apply this principle right here, and you are going to have that m equals 3 to the power of 5 log 2 base 6. You can also simplify 3 to the power of 5, and if you do that, you are going to have that m equals 3 to the power of 5 will give us 243, then to the power of log 2 base 6. And this is the value of m that will satisfy this equation right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.